What's the meaning of adoringly? Adoringly. 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 Adoringly means to act with great love and affection towards someone or something. It is an adverb that describes an action that is done in a way that shows deep admiration and fondness. When someone adoringly looks at another person, they are expressing their love and admiration for them. This can be seen in the way they speak, act, or even look at the object of their affection. Adoringly is a word that expresses strong positive emotions and reflects a deep connection or attraction between two individuals.